And it's Sunny Beach Life, the channel dedicated to Sunny Beach. It's June! The main areas are really busy in the resort. We've got live bands playing, we've got brand new hotels open, but unfortunately a travel company collapsed this year. It leaves one part of the resort completely devastated. It's terrible. Then Susan lets me loose with the camera.
Right, let's do that again because I'm stood here a bit gormless.
You're not sitting. And Dobberden.
Dobberden, everybody.
From Flower Street on the magic board, because it's officially my start of summer today, because it's just hit 28 degrees. I'm Bulgarian. I can put my shorts on because it hit 28.
So he's got his legs out and he's discarded his socks now, so that'll be it for summer.
I'm not going to be a granddad and wear socks in my sandals. That's a no-no.
Oh no, yeah.
I might be old, I'm not that old. So anyway, we're going to walk round. Everything's now open, basically. There's people about. Lots of planes have been coming in. The resort feels like a summer holiday resort now.
Oh, and the temperature is amazing. So
it's all full flow. I'll just model my legs for you. Look at this. The first time this year, 2025, my legs are in public. How about that? Isn't that exciting, ladies?
I think you need a tan on them legs, Andrew.
Yeah, next week I'll be out and about. I'll get a tan back.
I'd like to thank my friends Don and Helen who flew in yesterday. They brought me a copy of my book, so I've got a physical copy of my book. So if you want a copy, go on Amazon. You can get it in a physical form or you can get it as an ebook. It's about our journey, how we got to Bulgaria and starting the YouTube channel. I'm quite impressed with it, and thanks to everybody who's leaving great feedback. Much appreciated.
It's early evening. I mean, it's 7:15, so there's quite a few people about. Another hour, it's going to be rammed down here because people are having the dinner still in the all-inclusive hotels. So what we're going to do, we're going to head down here, we're going to bear right, head off past Bistro Billy's, and going to go look at the southern area, because obviously a week ago that was all shut. As we've hit the 1st of June, the outer areas are starting to open now, and that's really good because people are spreading out. You're not just confined to Flower Street and a few places on the front. Go for a good old stroll in the evening, have a few cold drinks on the way, and have a bit and explore. That's what we're always doing in Sunny Beach. Oh, look at this, we're getting there. The signs are on the central. The other day they were putting the floor in, and we can now see they're getting the walls done. So it's just a matter of fitting that out. Hopefully another week we may have a central bar back, because the bounce, that's fully going across the road. It's got Chris on it, so we've got to try and avoid him tonight. So we want to get filming, so we're going to have to go up this way. Maybe that might work, it might not. It depends if he spots us.
Oh, this is nice now. The big boys. It was here last year, but we never paid attention to it. Wow, look at these pastries. They look absolutely delicious. There are only 5 left for a lovely snack. Oh, if you fancy a snack after you've been in the bounce or the arena, come to Big Boys. Oh, it looks really clean and fresh. It looks amazing.
I can tell you, it smells really good standing here. Oh, that smells good.
This is the first year that you are running this?
Yeah, first year.
Oh, yeah.
But I go to Zopo.
Are you all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, good. Oh, yeah, fine, thank you. Now the sun's shining anyway. It's lovely now, isn't it?
You're on camera.
Where are you guys from?
England.
Oh, England. London.
I think I've seen you guys before.
On YouTube?
Yes,
I've
I've watched you many times.
Oh, right,
I was like, what's the weather like in Bulgaria? And it brought up used to.
Oh,
doing
right.
like a little here and go there
Yeah.
and Flower Street and what.
And if you're enjoying the video, Natisni Butona, hit the like button. Thanks a lot, it helps spread the video on the algorithm on YouTube.
YouTube. Just for Sunny Beach, YouTube. Yeah, just for Sunny Beach. Oh,
Well, you wouldn't believe Flower Street today from a week ago. Looking ahead of me, it's just solid people. And it's not even started yet, it's only 7:30. Just starting to build up. The restaurants are now filling up. It's going to be a great night in the resort. If you're here next few weeks, come and enjoy yourself in Sunny Beach. It's going to be a brilliant summer.
hello, are you alright?
I subscribe.
Oh, do you? You subscribe? Oh, hello. Oh, what's your name?
Tara.
Tara?
Tara.
Kara?
Dara.
Dara?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Oh, hello. This is your little sister. Oh, we've made it to Maestro now. And the lovely Whistler Riddick is on.
Nice to see you again.
Oh,
You alright?
nice to see you.
Bravo.
Yeah. Say, come to Maestro.
Pardon? How?
Say, come to Maestro.
Yeah,
Yeah.
come.
Come. How's it going? All right?
Yeah, everything's okay.
Good.
Bravo.
Yeah.
Good weather.
Oh, yeah, it's nice now, isn't
Yeah,
it? Yeah.
very well.
There are a couple of fun fairs in Sunny Beach. This is the biggest one that we have. If you're really brave, you can go on the fun fair. We're going to have a quick walk through it, just to show you what it's like.
Welcome to Bulgaria. Welcome to 66. Welcome to the bars. Welcome to the Central.
Oh, I ain't got the camera, look. He's got it.
Are you Bulgarian?
No, we're English.
What, you're on holiday?
No, we live here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You live in Sunny Beach?
Right, we live 5 miles out of Sunny Beach. All right.
It's great to see these areas off Flower Street itself starting to get busy, and here we've got obviously Route 66, and here's Dax the Irish Bar next door. That's open as well.
Oh,
It's so hard job.
It is. Yeah, nice to see you again. Yeah, you've got some beautiful things as usual. They look lovely.
Yeah.
So if you want some pretty things for your little girls, come and see Nina at her stall, just up from Route 66. Anyway, Nina, did you want to say hello to somebody?
Hello, everybody. Hello, my son.
And blow him a kiss.
Yeah. And come and kiss.
Anyway, come and see Nina. Right, we've just bumped into Rosie here now, outside the Sentido Neptune Beach Hotel, and she's doing the tattoo studio. What can you tell us about your tattoo studio, Rosie?
Hello. I can tell this is the best tattoo shop in Sunny Beach. You're welcome.
Let's go have a look.
If they see me like this,
Oh yeah, who's searching for an husband?
You're on YouTube. I'll make you famous. There you are. And what's your name? Georgia. So Georgia's the tattooist. She'll come and do your tattoo for you.
And we start.
they come on holiday, they have a list of what restaurants they want round. But wave at you. Come in and see us.
You're
Yeah.
welcome always. So
Just building up.
hello.
Behind me is a Lewis Soul. It's only just opened the weekend. Looks absolutely lovely, well lit up. It's now sparkling, looks brilliant. If you're going to come to that next couple of weeks, it is open. I keep getting messages from people who are being told it hasn't opened. I don't know why. There you are, the flags are up and people are in it.
Here we are now, we're opposite the Hello Soul, and the Olymp Steakhouse is open. So most of the bars and restaurants are all open now for your enjoyment. So get yourself to the Olymp. It's very nice.
So behind me is the Planeta Hotel. I mean, 2 or 3 weeks ago, it was just closed up. Look how quickly they get these hotels up and running. It is amazing. 2 or 3 weeks, they have so many staff in there, the cleaners and the maintenance people. It's back up and running. That looks actually fantastic tonight. Wow, clean and sparkly. It's really nice to get away from Flower Street. This is the southern area. We're in front of the Phoenix, just going up to the Pomori Sun. There's people here. A week ago, this was all shut. Just the cats walking round, basically. Now look at it, there's people. Wow, a lot of the new, they put a lot more stalls in this area. Obviously, they haven't been able to let them all because they've only just finished them, but quite a few have got people in. That's quite good, really. We're outside Pomori Sun and next to the Phoenix Hotel. And this area was really heavily booked with Balkan Holidays. And they ceased trading and some of the customers are rebooked, but basically it's left a big hole in this area. I'm outside Salt and Pepper and they've got the music on, everything's running. They've only got 2 people sitting in there. Don't matter how good the staff are, that's not exciting. But even though they've got Guinness at a loss leader at 6 lever for a Guinness, still nobody's in there. Same at Garfield, completely empty, the one across the road there. So this area, there are people walking about, but they're not in the restaurants and bars at the moment.
2 and 6 is your half crown, folks, at 26. 3 and 6 at 3 dozen, 36. 5 and 6, was she worth it, folks, at 56. Why, aye, man, every penny. On its own, it's your lucky number 7. 7 and 3, Crutch and the Flea, 73. 5 and 9, the Brighton Line, it's 59. Choo choo, Thomas. Oh, well done, mate. Right, we're now playing for your final full house of tonight. So best of luck to everybody who played for 2 nights on 14. Eyes down for your next number. Good luck. Here we go. 6 and 4 is Gone Red Raw. It's fallen off. It's 64. 6 and 5 is Watch It All.
So it's been really good. We've been able to sit and have a talk to people we know along here. These hotels, the Pomori and the Phoenix were Balkan hotels. They've got no rooms, there's nobody in them basically, just a few people. And there are crazy deals. We've been talking to people who are coming in the next 2 weeks. They've got amazing deals flying from Manchester and that, you know, a couple of weeks all inclusive for like 300 quid. Unbelievable. They've got to put people in these hotels. If you're flexible and you can get here and you can book something fairly quickly, you can get an amazing deal to Sunny Beach. The weather's fantastic. Come along, have a great holiday. It won't cost you a lot. This is amazing bad luck because one of our neighbours, Lubo, he owns the Oasis restaurant. We sat in the sports bar and said, let's go and eat at the Oasis. So we've got round here and in a power cut. They're amazing we can't eat, but luckily we started using lights on the camera. So light me up, Susan. There you go. We actually carry lighting now on the camera. We can see ourselves at night in the dark. It's fantastic. Without this, there's a blackout behind me. It's a real shame because Vera's Tiki Bar is really well lit. The girls are in there dancing. I've got to film that because they've got lights on. Susan's with me and she gave me permission to film the girl dancing. Isn't that brilliant?
Here we are at Balkan Tiki Bar. I've given permission to Andrew to film the pretty girl.
Hello, Brigades.
This is Cuthbert.
My name is Cuthbert. Come and Brigades. This is live music with full dance all night from 8 to 11 o'clock. Get the hour. You buy one, get two. On a kids.
Well, isn't that kind of me? I actually give Andrew permission tonight to film the pretty girls. But I must say, that singer, she is absolutely amazing. Come to Vera Tiki Bar. What a fun evening. It's very professional, yeah. Steven Spielberg, eat your heart out.
So here we go, we've actually got electric in Spiders, the lights are on, the pumps are working, so we're having a drink on our way home.
Yeah, we still haven't had anything to eat, but hey ho, a drink's as good as anything.
Yeah, that'll fill us up, so it's ciao ciao for now.
Ciao ciao everybody.
See you again later.
Bye.
Bye. It's still going to be a great year in Sunny Beach. We're going to have a great season. There are quiet areas, and most of it is fantastic. So please subscribe, please hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos in the 2025 summer season.